Hey, this is Nick with Obsessed Garage and welcome to OG Academy. Today we'll be talking about how to initiate and start a return on the Obsessed Garage website. So in order to get your return started, you're going to want to navigate to the support.obsessedgarage.com website. This will bring you to the Submit a Ticket page. We request that you provide as much information as possible, including your order number and pictures of what you are looking to return, as well as any information you think we may need. A support team member should reach out to you within 1 to 2 business days and assign you an RMA number. All there's left to do is ship the products back to us. Place your return into a reasonably sized box and pack it securely to avoid any damages, as we are not responsible for any damage in shipping on your return. Take a marker and write the RMA number on the outside of the box, large and somewhere visible, preferably on multiple sides. You can ship your package to us through any carrier you'd like, but we do request that you provide us with the tracking info once the package is shipped. Once it arrives at our warehouse, we will open the box and inspect all of the merchandise. If everything looks good, we will issue a refund. You should receive an email notification that you're getting a refund, but do know that it can take up to 10 days for the refund to credit back to your account. And that's how you initiate and process a return here at Obsessed Garage. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know down below or reach out to our support team at support@obsessedgarage.com.